Hi, I'm Bart.
I'm Gio.
I'm Joe.
I'm Shannon, and you're watching
Ask the Field.
And today we have a question from Frangelistic.
My friend, I like him a lot, but I just don't want to get tied down to him. He likes me too, it's just that a lot of girls like him too, and I really don't know what to do.
So it sounds like
She likes a player.
likes someone, yeah.
But a lot of other girls.
She knows that other women want him, and she doesn't want to get caught up.
She's like harboring and like sheltering her
fears.
Yeah, when you like the hottest guy in school, you know that all the other little ass tricks in your school like him too. I mean, or she's a player herself and she's like, listen bro, I think you're cool, but on a real, there's 7 other dudes who want to get it as well too, want to give him a shot. And that's also...
Could be.
That's so crazy because I think guys think the opposite. If there's a girl that's hot as shit and there's like 10 other dudes that want that girl, I think once guys will be like, okay, if I get that girl, I don't think that will stop them from getting that girl knowing that there's 10 other guys that want that girl.
It'll like encourage them.
Yeah, they'll be like, oh.
I gotta get it now before they get her.
But then I feel like girls on the flip side, it's more like, oh fuck, he's gonna be a player. I don't wanna just be one of his numbers. And then there's a fear there. So interesting.
Well, if he's your friend, you know how he is, and you know that he is a player and a cheater, and you don't want to get emotionally caught up in that, then maybe kind of going into, I don't know how old you are, but to me, like, open relationships are the wave of the future, but it takes a certain amount of maturity to successfully do those. So if you're younger, I mean, sticking with monogamy is simple because it's just very black and white, whereas an open takes a lot of communication to work effectively. But I guess that's also kind of like just hooking up with somebody. So if you like this person, I think having that honest conversation with them, that's like, okay, well, what do you expect? What do you want? I mean, you have these other girls on the side, what do they mean to you? What do I mean to you? And just being a friend about it. Like, not emotional or making it stressful, just like, yo, Joe, like, I'm feeling you, are you feeling me? Do you guys think that you guys can do open in high school?
Oh man, I was possessive.
It can't be done. Because it depends.
Everyone's too stupid.
I was too immature.
Yeah. It takes a really centered, confident, secure person to be able to get into an open relationship. Because you have to just take their word that you are the number one and that everyone else is just for fun. And it's really hard to do that when they have a new toy and they're so focused on this new toy that you feel like kind of number 3 or you're not that important anymore. Yeah, and it's really hard to just put your faith into that one person and be like, you know what, I trust you, whatever your word is, that's your word, and then I can, you know, go on with my day. Like a lot of people in high school is like, even if they're telling you the truth, they still have these suspicions, they still have these paranoid thoughts, insecurities, and I don't think it can work.
That's true, especially in high school.
And it's too complex.
But that's like, you don't have to call it open, but it's just being upfront. Like, are we seeing other people or are we exclusive? And if you can't handle being in an open situation because you like him too much, then just stay friends. You already know what it is. Like, he's a friend, you guys are cool, you have feelings for him, but for some reason you feel like, I don't really quite know. And clear it up with him to see if whether or not you're just being paranoid, because you could just be, you know, exactly what they said. Like, just because other women like him doesn't mean that he doesn't like you the most and doesn't want to be with you. And don't look at that competition as a reason to back off. If anything, now is your time to pounce because you know he likes you back.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe because we be posting videos every single day on this channel giving you guys great thoughts from our mindsicles. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. You have to subscribe, okay? Okay, this video right here, check this out.
I feel like my right is, no, my left is bigger than my right.
Oh, even guys too with their pecs?
Everything.
Yeah.
Like when I first started working, I'm like, what the hell, how come my left bicep looks different from my right? And I felt it was so weird. And then later on, I find out that it's actually normal to have a lot of asymmetries across your body.
Because of course, if you use your right hand all the time for this kind of motion, you know, it's gonna be a
like
little
sledgehammer, like hammer.